High-performing HVAC systems, that's the real key today. Conserve the energy, save the money, have a better indoor environmental quality in the building. So here's some of the benefits. Good engineering, good design increases the life of the building equipment. That also includes leaving enough room to maintain it. Well, that's what we look at there. Here's what it does when you design a high-performing HVAC system. It improves all these things. It gives the people who are breathing the air better indoor air quality, and their productivity goes up. Why does it go up? Because they're healthier. They're not taking as many sick days. Here are some of the benefits. Typically, it'll reduce the first cost. If you can do things like that, think a little bit differently about what you're designing. But these are all the kinds of things we look at.